You're 11. You know what you're doing now. Here we go. Come on.
It's all about moving your feet.
Come on. Like that, all the way down.
You don't have to go as far as
You go as quick as you can. You guys got it? You're going to go down the side of the ladder. In, out, out. In, out, out. Okay?
Oh, I'm going to
You're going to start with that left foot. Ready? Go. In, out, out. There you go. In, out, out. In. Nice. There you go. Quick as you can. Good job. Atta girl.
Good job, girl.
Nicely done, Bobo. Good catch. Right. There you go. Over that line. Good job, good job. Atta girl. Bo.
Come on down here, get it. Run through. Sing the play. Yeah, Maddie, come on through. Break down, see it. Nice, man. Good job.
Come on. Hey, ready?
I know what's right one. Alright, ladies. Go get it. Get it on the hop. Oh, good. I'm gonna do it with them. Come on. Alright, Lily, ready? Ready? Everybody get ready. Where's it going? Get it. Oh, good try. Hustle. Good job. Everybody ready? Billy, get it. Get it. Oh, good job. Everybody ready? Come on, Lily, get it. Ready? Catch it. Call it. I didn't hear anybody. What are you supposed to yell? Mine, yell. You ready? Mine. There you go. Good job. Ready. Lily, say mine. Good job.
Okay.
She just did every single one of them.
There you go. Nice. This foot forward. That way. There you go. So this is ball coming in.
That's better.
Yeah.